Okay, now the next topic is unused test object feature in Katalon. So what is this? And let us see again in this one in Katalon Studio. Now under tools option you have this test object. Under this navigation you have show unused test objects. So I clicked on this one, it is trying to do something. Okay, so what is this feature is all about? So now over a period of time, you will have a bigger list of objects in your object repository, which you would have built over the time. But over the time, it will be like there are many unused objects by any of these test cases. Uh, you might be thinking, why would I add an object if I am not going to use it in the first place, right? So when you are building the application, you might think that you are going to use certain objects, but actually when you are writing the test cases, sometimes you may not actually use those objects which you have added in your object repository. So how do you track back those objects are with the help of this feature? Okay, and also it is possible that you may have added some of these objects for the future reference. Okay, even in that case also that object appears in this list, whether you have kept it for the future use or you have forgot to use that object. And if even if the object is not necessary at all, whatever are the reasons, Katalon is going to identify the objects which are not used, and it is going to display the list. So what you are going to do with that list is up to you. If you wanted to delete all of them, you can delete all of them. If you wanted to export these objects, you can export these objects, and later on you can import these objects when you are actually going to use them. All right, so this is the feature Katalon is going to provide. And first of all, why do you need these features? One is you can have a list of objects which you are not going to use by mistake, or probably you no longer need them. So Katalon is going to give that list, and up to you if you wanted to delete it. And why you wanted to delete is, if the reason is that you don't know these objects at all and you don't want to use them, you can delete them. In that way, the load on the object repository is going to be reduced, which will improve the execution performance of Katalon Studio for your set of automated test case. So that's the benefit of this particular feature. Now we have discussed all the topics for this particular chapter. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll discuss some more features and further topics in the coming chapters.